Okay, hello and welcome to the Primrose Hill Community Association Fast and Good Food channel. Monsieur Mick is with us today, the technical engineer. So we're going to try to show you how to quickly make a nice little soup, which will be the base for hopefully 5 lunches. Okay, so what you need is a little pan of that size, whatever, probably about 3 or 5 liters. You need somewhere to cook it. So what we do is we are gonna heat up some vegetable oil, nice and easy, just a little bit of vegetable oil. And what you want to do is we've got some chopped onions, but you don't have to have chopped onions if you're gonna use dip, but we've got some chopped onions. We've got some chopped leeks, they're chopped quite big chunk. Take a whole leeks, cut it in half, and then in a little chunk about half an inch. And then some potatoes, okay, also again chopped. So we're gonna, you can put some garlic. Being French, I would probably have put some garlic, but today we've got no garlic. So I'm gonna put all the onions, and what you want to do is soften the onions, okay? So put your, as hot as possible, make sure you don't burn yourself, and then you just fry the onions until they're soft, okay? Now, once that is done, once they're soft a little bit, then you add the leeks. You add the leeks. Again, stir it well and make sure it doesn't burn. So make sure you watch it a little bit. And again, you want to sweat. So you want to sweat the leeks and the onions. So once we've done that, we're going to add the potatoes and again cook them a little bit, and then we'll add some water, anything between a liter and a liter and a half, depending how weak or not weak you want your soup be. Now, what's going to happen once we've done that, we're going to then use the water and we're going to cook it for about 20 minutes, half an hour. Now, I'm not the great of timing, but what I usually do is I check everything. So what I will do is I'll check the potatoes. As long as the potatoes is cooked, then everything else is cooked. Then you season at the last moment. In fact, I would not season it at all, because the idea is we're going to make that as a base. And once you've got that, every day you will be able to do a little soup. Ideally, once it's done, you want to put it in 5 little different containers, or every day you take a little bit out of the fridge and enough for one soup. And then you go to your local supermarket and you buy a tin of whatever you want. You can have cannelloni bean, you can have red kidney bean, anything really. And then you add that to your soup. So every day you can have a different soup. Same base, but that's easy to do. And then every day you can add whichever you want. As I said, we got the beans today. You can have red kidney beans. You can even have peas. You can have anything you like, really. And that way, you have a very nice soup. Then I will season it at that time. Only when I do the soup on an everyday basis, instead of, because you don't know, some of those tins might have a lot of salt. So it's better to play safe and season it as you want. So there you go. The onions are sweated. Now I'm going to add the potato. Again, stir, make sure it doesn't burn, because otherwise the taste is not very good. Again, let it soften for a couple of minutes. The leeks especially, and the onion. And then add the water. Voila, so you put it everywhere, and that's it. And then you let it to cover. So the best, ideally, is about a liter and a half of water. And that's it, really. And then you're gonna have a really nice soup, easy to make, 5 minutes to make. Ideally, you want to use the lid, so you don't use any of the energy. Save the world. That's it. Done. First one. Thank you very much.